What not to do. Good morning, sir!
Surprise.
Sir, good morning. Welcome to the Goring Hotel. Do you have a reservation, sir?
Excuse me, I'm leaving.
Oh, excuse me, sir. Sir.
No.
Not to do number 2. Good morning, sir. Welcome to the Goring Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes?
Oh, sorry, sir. We seem to have an overflow. May I suggest you
Excuse me, I have a reservation here.
No, sir. I already gave you a reservation.
No.
Sorry, sir.
I'll talk to my manager. Your manager, please.
Sir, I already... I'm so
No,
sorry, sir.
don't explain.
Sir, you can try the other one.
You've offended me. I've already reserved for this.
Sir, I'm suggesting the
No.
other one. Sir. What not to do number 3.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Goring Hotel. Do you have any reservations?
Yes, I have a reservation. Under Felton.
Okay, ma'am. This way, please. Oh my gosh! Oh, what are you doing here, ma'am?
Gosh, you forgot. You forgot.
No. It's just yeah. Please wait for your wait attendant, ma'am. Oh, ba't nandito pa ako?
What not to do number 4.
Excuse me, ma'am. Oh! Ay, sorry. I'm sorry.
Last but not the least, what not to do number 5.
Here's your change, ma'am. Halika na, ma'am. Thank you for dining with us. We look forward to your next visit. Ma'am, thank you sa tip, ha? Bye-bye. Ingat ka.